All right, beautiful flowers get the most of our attention in the well-landscaped yard. But in today's gardening tip, how to use hardscapes to transform your outdoor space into a place you'll want to hang out all summer long. Take a look.
So often when we think about our landscape, the focus is on lawn and plants. But there are other parts of the yard that are equally important and can leave you with an amazing landscape that gives you all the function and enjoyability that you want. So a very key function is creating gathering spaces. Those are hardscaped areas in the yard, your back patio, a front yard gathering area, maybe something in the back corner. And once installed, these spaces give you places to hang out without a lot of work. Now, there are plenty of options beyond generic concrete. And here at the Conservation Garden Park, we have a hardscapes exhibit that shows you dozens of different textures that you can utilize to make that back patio a real feature.